Hi everybody, welcome to day 3 of the Hidden Riches and Ritual 30-day challenge. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that you made it to day 3. So pat yourself on the back. Yay, we're at day 3. And today I want to share with you the passion test formula for living a passionate life. And it's simply intention, attention, no tension. Intention is all about clarifying what it is that you choose to create in your life. In other words, what are you most passionate about? Intention, getting the level of clarity that you've never had before. And that's what you did with the passion test. You know, coming up with your top 5 passions. So intention is first all about getting clear. Attention is all about putting your powerful consciousness on what it is that you choose to create in your life. Halala, in other words, your top 5 passions, because think about it. If you could fulfill your top 5 passions, what would your life be like? Pretty fabulous, wouldn't it? And you know, here's the thing. I've given the passion test all over the world, and I've given it to top transformational leaders, authors, business people, government individuals, you know, tons of woozy-woozies. And then I've given the passion test to kids that are in lockdown detention centers and men and women in homeless shelters. And you know what? Here was my big aha, and it was really a cool aha, and it really changed the game for me. And the big aha was that all of us are powerful. Every single one of us are powerful. It's just, where are we putting our powerful consciousness? Where are we putting our powerful attention? Are we putting it on what we choose to create, or are we putting it on what we don't choose to create? My great friend Beth Lefevre, I love what she says. She's one of the master trainers of our Passion Test program. She always says, Janet, are you creating the world you want to create, or are you creating the world you don't want to create? And with the wonderful, wonderful Passion Test formula, the attention part is all about taking your powerful consciousness and putting it right on laser focused your top 5 passions, so that you can, you know, start to gravitate all the people and the places and the things that you need in order to be able to live your passionate life full out. Whoops, that was funny.